Alright, let's talk about photography. Welcome to another video. My name is Captain Giorgio, and today we'll be talking about our first principle of design, which is patterns. Alright, so let's hop into it. So as we go along in this video, I just want to say that I'll be showing some examples of some photographers who I believe executed the principle of patterns properly. Keep in mind that principles are not set rules, so feel free to break them once you get comfortable. Let's get started in talking about patterns in photography. What is that? So basically, patterns is the concept of arranging repetitive elements in your shot. Sometimes they can be used for background purposes, or they can be used for an additional form of information. The best part about patterns is that we live with it every day. You know, when you go outside into the streets, when you're walking around, anywhere you go, like, you're bound to see patterns somewhere. Or sometimes you have to go and find it, but it's out there. Our daily lives are filled with patterns. They come in forms of shape, color, texture. I remember when I was younger and just looking at traffic lights and seeing the way they change, it's very mesmerizing. And that's the thing about patterns in photography as well. Like, patterns, if executed correctly, it creates this mesmerizing effect that just guides you throughout the picture. So you're trying to be effective on the way you use patterns. Try to find a way to make it so that you break your own pattern in your photograph. It can demonstrate change or a figurative challenge, and so much more. That's why I say it's worth experimenting. And because this is a creative field, you can literally make your own patterns, whether it's in post-production or whether you use the help of prisms. Prism photography is something else, but if you can use that to create your own patterns, that's pretty dope. You can use tools like these to make your own striking pattern. Simply by recognizing the existence of patterns in your life, it can help you to learn more about the appreciation that we have towards portraits, architecture, and nature. So the next time you find yourself taking pictures, see how you can use patterns to make your image more striking, more unique, and to help you create that story in your photograph. All in all, that's it for patterns. I hope the examples I presented in this video can give you a better idea on how you can use patterns in your photographs. If I did, please give me that like, so that way this video can be shared to other people who might need some insight on patterns. Overall, I'm just trying to show you how to see. Remember, my goal is to show you examples so that you can start visually noting. The point of a composition is to provide you with a story, something pleasing to look at, an idea, and patterns can be used to your advantage in that it can help you create those goals. Okay, so I'm going to show you a collage of photographs that I found for inspiration. Let me know what you think about these pictures, and do you think that they use the pattern principle effectively? If so, let me know down in the comment. In the meantime, thank you so much for the privilege of your time into watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you sub for more content, and I'll be seeing you at the end of the slideshow. Alright, let the slideshow begin. So what do you think? Do you think they used the patterns effectively? Let me know down in the comments. And if you like what you saw, consider following them on Instagram. I left their username on the pictures for reference. All in all, thank you so much. Hope to see you in the next one, and take it easy. Alright, remember to stay creative. Peace.